Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is Esther. Today I'll be taking you through Google Forms. A Google Form, this is a service provided by Google, and it enables you to make a survey, a quiz, and you can get responses from many people at the different times. You get different answers. So let's say it's applicable to teachers. Teachers can decide to set assessments and share it out to their students and get back the answers, which will be automatically graded. And also you can carry out a survey. Let's say you're doing research on health. I can just set my questions, share it out to the audience that I want, and I'll be able to get the different health tips, okay? And be able to know the health status of the different individuals in that particular, let's say, maybe a community, estimating the health of the individuals. So the first thing you do, you go to Google Chrome, and then we are going to type in Google Forms. I already have mine here, so I'll just sign in. Okay, let's go back a little. So right here, you have these are the forms, okay? You can also make a form for an invitation for a birthday party like this one, then contact informations, event registration, neighbor wedding, and then, yeah, there are many options. So let's start by clicking on this blank form. We are going to create our own form. Okay, so right here, it says untitled form description. These are the questions I'm setting. So let's start by putting the title. Let's say health survey. I'm doing my research on the health of individuals. So here is my title. Then you can decide to add a description. And the first question will be the name of that individual. And right here at the right, when you click on that, you can see that Google Forms automatically, it say mention name the answer should be in kind of short answer. So yes, it will be a short answer, but if it's in another way, you can also choose multiple choice. I'll show you that in the next question. So this one, it will be a short answer. You just put in your name, and then I can choose to copy this form, and then, okay, if it's the same as the next one, I can just copy it, or I want to delete it. I just click on that, then write down here, required. So when I turn it on, it means this individual filling the form has to first answer this question before submitting or going to the next. And at the edge here you click on it if you want to add a form. Okay, add question, and then you can also import questions. Let's check, you can import questions if you already prepared them aside. That, well, I don't have any, I didn't prepare any, so I'll just set mine. Then title, description, you can add images to your questions to show exactly what you're trying to find out or what you're trying to communicate. Then add video and add section. So I'm going to add question, and then I'll just type in how do you, how can you rate your health? How can you rate your health? So here, it can't be a short answer, so I'm going to change those settings. I'll choose multiple choice. So here I'm given option 1. Well, option 1 mine will be, let's start with poor. If your health is poor, you just click on it. So option 2, option 2, option 2 can be fair. Well, I have a few diseases, so just fair. Option 3 can be good. So that is multiple choice. You choose any you want. Okay, so let's get back here. Add image. So you can keep on just adding. When you have many questions, you just add questions and you keep on. So at the top here, you have a preview. When you click on it, you can see how your form will appear on internet. So this is how it will be looking. Okay. So once you're done setting, you can just click on preview to see how it's going to appear. Then right here, you have you can choose to change the text style. Okay. Let's say I want that one. I can change it. And then also the question, I change also the text style for the question. You just click on any that you find really nice. And also you choose a color that you feel like. See, you can make all the changes. You can choose also an image for your header. So you really can do a lot. And then here, the size of the words, how you want them to appear a little bold, or you can do a lot of changes, and you can also share it out. Copy respondents link. Okay. So here we have responses. Once your, let's say the audience you have sent the survey to starts responding, all the responses will appear right here. And then settings. These are the settings. Make this a quiz. Responses. You manage how responses are collected. Presentations. So you can change the settings to the way you want it to be. Okay. And once you're done with everything, you can just go and publish it. So here it says anyone with the link. The respondents will be anyone with the link. So those with the link those I share the link will be able to access this form and send me back the replies. And then you can publish it. So I'll click on manage. And then you can type in the email addresses of those you want to share out the link with. So I'll just share the link of the form and it's done. So I can choose to publish, notify, and that is all how you can utilize a Google form. Thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.